Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside FormDesigner. So a webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. FormDesigner is an amazing online web form builder application. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside FormDesigner and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for FormDesigner as my trigger application and here it is. And the trigger event will be new submission. So this trigger will start working whenever a form submission will be made. So this here is the form that I've created by using FormDesigner. So whenever there will be a new form submission, then automatically the details of that form submission should be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select my trigger event as new submission. As I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your FormDesigner account with Pabbly Connect. So to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my FormDesigner account. So this here is the dashboard of my FormDesigner account and here is the form that I've created by the name of lead form. So I will go to the form and now I will go to applications and here in applications I will scroll down and I will go to webhooks. So over here is the webhooks option given, so I'm going to click on add. But before that, here webhook says allows you to transfer the data from the form using the post or get method to an arbitrary URL after successfully filling out the form. That means by adding up a webhook, I can successfully send the form submission data to any other application. So over here, I'm going to click on add. So as per the instructions, I need to mention the URL address. That means the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. So I'm just going to copy it and over here I'm going to paste it. Once that is done, so I'm going to select the data transfer method as post because I want to send the form submission details. So once I've done that, now moving to request parameters from a form. So over here I'm going to add the parameter for full name. And now I'm going to add another one for email. So over here, I'm going to select email. Now I'm going to add the last one for phone number. So once I've added the parameters, now I'm going to click on save. And here under install, you can see that we have successfully added a webhook. That means I've successfully made a connection between FormDesigner and Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to do a form submission. So let me take you to the form. So here's the form that has been connected. So now I'm going to fill in the details. So here let's say that the last name is user. The first name is current. Now moving to the email, that is current user @pabblytuts.com. Now moving to the phone number. So over here, I'm going to mention a dummy phone number and click on submit. So here it says, thank you, your message has been successfully sent. That means the form submission has been made successfully and the details of this form submission would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. As well, the result would have been added in my FormDesigner account as well. So taking you to my FormDesigner account first. So now over here, I will go to statistics. And here under statistics, you can see that a new form submission that was made. So the details of that form submission is successfully captured. So here are the details of the new lead. You can see the full name, that is user current. So that is current user. Here you can see the submission ID, email, submission creation date, and the phone number. So that means over here in my FormDesigner account, I've successfully got the form submission details and these same details would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here you can see I've received the response. Here in the response is the phone number. Here's the last name, first name, and the email ID. So that means the form submission which was just done. So the details are successfully captured over here inside Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside a FormDesigner account. Now whenever a new form submission will be made, then automatically the details, that means the response of the form submission will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the form submission details and now just by going to this action window, I can select any application and send the form submission data. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.